The 2026 Chevrolet Colorado is making headlines across the automotive world, and for all the right reasons. With a bold redesign, cutting-edge technology, and most notably, a revamped powertrain lineup, the Colorado is more than just a midsize pickup. It's a statement. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a contractor on the job, or a trail seeker chasing the next adventure, the 2026 Colorado is engineered to deliver capability without compromise. But what's under the hood of this new generation? Let's take a deep dive into the engine options, performance metrics, fuel efficiency advancements, and what real experts have to say about Chevy's latest innovation in the midsize truck segment. Powertrain revolution, turbocharged performance, redefined standard engine. 2.7 liters turbocharged four-cylinder. At the heart of the 2026 Chevy Colorado lineup is the standard 2.7-liter turbocharged inline-four engine, an engineering marvel that's redefining expectations for midsize trucks. This isn't the same modest four-cylinder power plant you might expect from previous generations. Instead, it's a high-output, high-efficiency unit designed to balance power and practicality. Performance specs. Horsepower, 310 horsepower. Torque, 348 pound-feet. Transmission, 8-speed automatic. Drivetrain, available in both RWD and 4WD configurations. This engine isn't new to Chevy fans. It's been refined from the powertrain found in Silverado models. But the 2026 Colorado benefits from updated calibration, reduced turbo lag, and improved thermal efficiency. According to Jim Kane, a spokesperson for General Motors, the 2.7-liter turbo in the new Colorado represents a perfect balance of performance and efficiency. It's designed for today's truck customer, who demands both capability and versatility. Auto critics are already praising this power plant. Motor Trend's technical editor noted that this Turbo 4 punches above its weight, delivering V6-like performance with a four-cylinder footprint. Acceleration is responsive, and torque comes on strong at lower RPMs, perfect for towing or hauling heavy loads without requiring a bulky engine under the hood. Optional engine. 3.6-liter V6 returns for enthusiasts. Chevrolet understands its customer base. While the Turbo 4 satisfies most performance needs, some buyers still appreciate the throaty growl and proven dependability of a naturally aspirated six-cylinder. That's why the 3.6-liter V6 remains an optional engine in higher trims for 2026. Performance specs. Horsepower, 308 horsepower. Torque, 275 pound-feet. Transmission, 10-speed automatic. This V6 is tried and true, having been a staple in GM's midsize trucks and SUVs for years. Its inclusion isn't just about tradition, it's about delivering a driving experience that's smoother, more linear, and tailored to those who favor naturally aspirated engines over turbocharged alternatives. Off-road reviewers from Four Wheeler magazine suggest the V6 still has a place, especially for those planning to explore harsh landscapes and extreme terrain. The slightly more predictable torque curve makes it ideal for rock crawling or climbing, where throttle modulation is crucial. Fuel efficiency and emissions. Eco-conscious without sacrifice. Fuel economy has become a hot-button issue in the truck world, and the 2026 Colorado addresses it head-on. The 2.7-liter turbo engine is at the center of this shift, offering impressive fuel efficiency without neutering performance. While official EPA ratings are still pending, early testing by industry insiders points to numbers around City MPG 20 to 22 mpg, Highway MPG 26 to 28 mpg, Combined MPG 20. These figures place the Colorado near the top of the midsize pickup segment, especially among gas-powered competitors. Fuel-saving technologies like auto stop-start, variable valve timing, and direct fuel injection play a huge role in reducing consumption. For the eco-conscious buyer who still needs utility, this Colorado finally offers a happy medium. According to engineer David Schuster, who worked on the Turbo 4, we made sure this powertrain can meet strict emissions targets without making drivers feel like they gave something up. Towing and payload, muscle where it matters. Let's talk about what really matters for truck buyers. Towing capacity and payload ratings. These numbers determine whether a truck can handle a weekend camper, a trailer full of dirt bikes, or a worksite generator. With the Turbo 4 engine properly equipped, the 2026 Colorado delivers up to 7,700 pounds of towing capacity, a benchmark that even some full-size trucks struggled to meet just a decade ago. The payload capacity lands near 1,700 pounds, allowing it to carry plenty of equipment or supplies in the bed. The V6 variant offers slightly lower towing figures, around 7,000 pounds, but a smoother ride while pulling heavier loads. And thanks to integrated trailer sway control, hill start assist, and optional trailer brake controller, the new Colorado makes towing easier and safer than ever before. Industry towing experts like TfL Truck noted in their prototype test that the Colorado has matured into a serious towing machine, particularly praising the stable handling and effortless torque delivery from the Turbo 4. Driving experience, refinement meets ruggedness. Beyond raw specs, the 2026 Colorado aims to improve the overall driving experience. Engineers work tirelessly on chassis dynamics, suspension tuning, and sound insulation to ensure the truck feels composed on the highway, yet capable off the beaten path. Notably, the new multi-link rear suspension improves ride comfort without sacrificing off-road articulation. Paired with electronic power steering, the truck now offers a more car-like feel while maintaining its rugged edge. Drivers will notice reduced cabin noise at high speeds, more responsive steering feel, smoother transitions over uneven surfaces. Automotive journalist Mike McGrath of Edmunds called the Colorado's road manners a huge leap forward, emphasizing how its ride quality now rivals midsize crossovers while maintaining true truck capability. Trim levels and engine pairing. Buyers can choose from several trims, all of which feature tailored tuning and equipment packages. WT Work Truck, Base Trim, Standard 7-liter Turbo, LT Balanced Daily Driver, Z71, Off-Road Focus with lifted suspension, ZR2, Hardcore Trail Beast with Multimatic DSSV shocks, Trail Boss, newer trim with added ground clearance and 4-bedded standard. The 2.7-liter turbo engine comes in two output levels, Turbo and Turbo Plus, offering flexibility for buyers to prioritize either value or power. The V6, available on Z71 and ZR2 trims, serves those looking for a more traditional engine feel with added low-end grunt. Tech upgrades and driver assistance. The 2026 Colorado isn't just about mechanical updates. It also ushers in a suite of next-gen technology that makes driving safer, smarter, and more connected. Interior highlights: 11.3-inch touchscreen infotainment display, standard on most trims, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, available Google built-in. Digital driver display with customizable layout. Safety and driver assistance. Automatic emergency braking, forward collision alert, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, available on higher trims. HD surround vision camera system for trailering and off-roading. The truck also features an off-road performance display, showing pitch, roll, tire angle, and more. A handy tool when tackling trails or rough terrain. Design and build. A tougher, bolder look. Chevrolet didn't stop at internal upgrades. The 2026 Colorado features a bold new exterior with a more squared-off front end, flared wheel arches, and rugged proportions. It shares its underpinnings with the Silverado's updated design language, but in a more compact and aggressive format. Buyers can expect LED headlights and DRLs, beefier bumpers for better approach departure angles, optional skid plates, tow hooks, and underbody armor, durable spray and bed liner, and multiple tie-down points. Interior materials are also improved, with soft-touch surfaces, real stitching, and optional leather upholstery on higher trims. Verdict: is the 2026 Colorado worth it? With the 2026 Colorado, Chevy has done more than refresh a nameplate. They've elevated it. The new engine lineup, especially the turbocharged 4-cylinder, proves that midsize trucks no longer have to compromise between power and efficiency. Whether you're towing, commuting, or adventuring off-road, the Colorado delivers a well-rounded package backed by thoughtful engineering and a driver-focused experience. Expert opinions support this shift, and early feedback from test drivers points to a truck that feels much more premium than its price tag suggests. For buyers who need a truck that can truly do it all, without the size or cost of a full-size pickup, the 2026 Chevy Colorado is shaping up to be a smart, forward-thinking choice. Want more detailed truck reviews like this? Subscribe and stay tuned for our expert breakdowns of all the latest models, straight from the test tracks, trails, and garages where performance matters most. Let us know in the comments what you think about Chevy's direction. Would you go for the Turbo 4 or stick with the classic V6?